Hi friends, this is Olga with AskYourSoul.org, and today I have a new deck to show you. This one's called Shamanic Healing Oracle Cards by Michelle Matuzas, I believe. And this one just looked interesting to me when I was looking at different decks online, and let's just see what it says on the back of the deck. Explore your spiritual and human existence within the bounds of natural imagery and look into the energies, fears, and wrong beliefs that are holding you back from having the best life possible. Via shamanism studies, these 44 beautifully drawn oracle cards will help you learn the importance of symbolism in the human psyche. Discover for yourself and others the energies surrounding situations in life that can hinder or assist you along your path of self-awareness and healing. Whether a novice or a skilled reader, the messages found in these cards and the accompanying guidebook will give you the insight, personal empowerment, and trust in your own intuitive abilities and will allow you to begin an energetic healing journey that is precisely tailored to you. Consider the universal symbols and energetic messages these cards have for you. Begin living a life of spiritual clarity, energetic openness, and personal empowerment. Sounds peachy. Okay, so I'm just going to open these real quick and get right back to you. Okay, and I'm back. And you guys, I love this. Look at this little thingy here. I love when decks have this type of stuff. And here's the author. And apparently she's also the artist, which is really cool. And here's the guidebook, and these are the cards. Looks like a pretty nice little... Oh, look, and it's even in color. That's really cool. Usually it's black and white. Okay, so let's see the cards, shall we? And it looks like this is the back of the cards. And here's the front. I just like how different these are from like most of the decks that I own. And they're mostly dark, which is kind of cool. And I just really like the fact that it does feel like there's like a shamanic vibe to these cards. You know, when I first saw them online. And I'll post the link below, by the way. But yeah, I just love the shamanic feel to them. And also the fact that there's quite a bit of symbolism going on, and I've been like really into symbolism lately. That's my... Oh, I love this. Okay, so yeah, let's just go one by one through the cards. It's all good. Love it. Unlimited possibilities. Oh, I just noticed this. Look at this stuff. It's kind of bent. That sucks. Actually, all of the corners kind of weird. I don't know. I think I read in one of the reviews that like other people had this problem with the little corners being dented, but of course, I didn't expect anything like that to happen to my cards, and yet here we are. Anyway, okay, so... Oh, this one's pretty dark, but I hope you can see it. It says, Healing Energy. And this is Movement into Balance. New Beginnings. Slow but steady. Past, present, and future. Psychic development. Discernment. Reunion of souls. I love that. It actually has a whole bunch of symbols right here. And here. Death. Ooh. Scary. Perception. Burden. Interesting. Has an ant here. New day. Truth. Abundance. Teaching. Honoring your energy. Masculine energy, of course, the sun. There better be a moon after this. No, feminine energy. Sacred space, I love this one. It really reminds me of that musical key. Transformation. Yeah, that's perfect. How a butterfly comes out of the cocoon after being a caterpillar. Forgiveness. Ascension. Sexual energy. Interesting. Duality. Yeah, that makes sense. Stripping illusions. It looks like a lotus flower. That's beautiful. Anger. Changes. Divine timing. Omens. And of course we have our owl here. I love owls. Struggle. Yeah, like going against the current. Integration. Ancient wisdom. I really like how these colors look combined with black. Inner journey. Grounding. And we have like our little acorns over here. Emotional release. Growth. And again, the acorns. Love it. Creativity. Look at that. 3 of Cups. Right there. Retreat. Self-love. Joy. And I believe this is the last one. Nope. Letting go. This is the last one. Home. Totally makes sense. Love the feathers, by the way. Cool. Well, it looks like a really interesting deck. It's definitely different from the rest of the decks that I have. So that's why I was really looking forward to reviewing this one. And let's see, I'm just going to pull a card that's just something that we need to know for today. Let's just do a general one today. So give me just a sec. Okay, and I'm back. And this is the card. We're gonna see. Oh, of course. My spirit animal. My spirit bird, if you will. Omens. Love it. Okay, let's see what the little guidebook has to say about this one. I'm actually really curious. Okay, omens. Oh, it's funny how I assumed that it was an owl, but it's actually a hawk. So, hawks are messengers. This majestic bird flies high and reaches the realms of the spirit. They bring back messages from both the seen and unseen. Drawing this card speaks of focus and intuition. Pay attention to the coincidences in your life right now. Focus on where you want to go, how high do you want to fly. When you see a hawk, someone is trying to get your attention. Pay attention to serendipity in your life and be glad for this is a reminder that you're living in the flow of energy. Things will soon shift for you. Oh, that would be awesome. Can't well relate to that. And I guess to me personally, that would mean seeing an owl, because I just kept seeing an owl in this picture. But that's a really cool message. I love that. And speaking of synchronicities, I have like the weirdest story to tell you. So my friend, who's also like into like spiritual stuff, and you know, one of the few people that I can actually talk to about stuff like this, she texted me the other day, and she was like, dude, I just saw something crazy. I was driving and there was a car right in front of me, and on the license plate it said, believe in him. I think it said believe in me. Basically, like, you know, the shortened version to make sure that it actually fits on the plate. It says believe in me. And so I think she even took a picture of that one. And then later, like literally a day or two after that, she saw a different car with a plate that said believe in him. Like, how crazy is that? Because she was already, even after the first one, she was like, wow, this is so amazing, because like she kind of kept asking for a sign and just was hoping to see something like that, like hoping for synchronicity, and boom, the universe was like, here you go. And then, you know, a day or two after that, she sees it again, and it's like, okay, well, clearly, you know, you don't want to miss this one. And she was just like, I wonder what that means. But I think to me, that means basically that if you've been asking for help or for a sign from your spirit guides, then clearly the universe was like, here you go. Everything's cool. I'm on your side. So I definitely love those examples of synchronicities, and I've had quite a few of those. And I feel like the more attention you pay to those, the more you're going to notice them. Maybe the universe is kind of hoping for you to pay more attention to synchronicities, because it's like, come on, it's all there, just pay attention. And as soon as you do, it just gives you more to kind of reaffirm that for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little stash we just had, and I like these cards. I mean, so far so good, you know, other than the corners being bent, but I don't know, I feel very weird about like returning cards. I just feel like once I connect with them and now they have like my energy, I really don't want to return them and mess anything up for anybody. So I guess I'll just keep them. Yes, I'm nice like that. But, and still, you know, other than that little thing, like, they're really cool. I like them. So I look forward to using them again in the future. And maybe we'll do a few readings with them in the future. But I still have one more deck to unbox. So that's what I'm hoping to do next time. Until then, wishing you all the best. Have an awesome day or night. And sending you love and light as always. Bye!